So just before I give my view on Bitcoin, which we see, I just want to be sure that everybody's on page with on-chain metric. So one of the very interesting thing about Bitcoin is the fact that the network is very transparent. You can actually observe all the transaction, what price Bitcoin was initially bought and what prices sell and track them. And just to give an example of the power of this, uh, in most of investing asset, we look at a market cap. In case of Bitcoin, Bitcoin market cap is the Bitcoin price multiplied by the number of Bitcoin in circulation. So that's good approximation of the value of the asset. But the thing is not a good representation of the actual money that flowed in because it's not everybody that bought the Bitcoin at current price. So the fact that we can look under the hood of Bitcoin make that we can actually look at each Bitcoin and what was the price last time they move and add all of this. And this is what we call the realized cap. And realized cap is the exact amount of money that have flow into Bitcoin. So when you can look under the hood, you can have interesting takes on Bitcoin ecosystem. And here, I want to give this example of it's not a metric we made, but actually is the metric that allow me to sold it up in 2021, but also to inspire me to make our work on Bitcoin. So here's the MVRV. MVRV is market value to realized value. So it's basically the relation between the market cap and the realized cap. So usually when Bitcoin start to be very hoverbouth and very exuberant, the relations kind of spike. And yeah, so here's the previous relation. And then in 2021, I saw one analyst, and it's not necessarily I want to point the mistake. We all do some mistake, but the point is that person was saying we're not at the top as the MVRV typically climb above 4.2 during market peaks. And I remember at that time saying that actually each peak were decreasing, and which is makes king sense because it's understandable that as market cap explode and rise, it's normal that it take more money and to push it. So we expect that ratio to become smaller and smaller. And actually, this is what actually happened. So that analyst missed the top, and now we don't expect it to be at 4.2 in the next cyclical top, but probably more at 3.1 when it will reach that line. But I will come back to that a bit later in that presentation.